The good economic data out overnight has meant that equity markets have increased. The New Zealand dollar is also up, increasing by 1.6% against the US. It is currently trading at around 72.80 against the US dollar. Other news has come out of Australia, which has also attracted international investors to South Pacific nations. The Reserve Bank of Australia has increased their cash rate by another 25 basis points, and now it sits at 3.75%. Remember, New Zealand is still sitting at 2.5%. The Reserve Bank of Australia has indicated that Australia's economy is on track, and now it is all about maintaining inflationary price pressures at the target range of 2 to 3%. This will have an impact on New Zealand. Unfortunately for us here in New Zealand, and like it or not, we are lumped together with Australia, and so most of our currency and interest rates will trade along with these factors. All eyes were on the Fonterra Global Dairy Trade Auction, which did occur overnight. Over the past few months, we have seen big increases at this auction. However, overnight, these increases were slightly more marginal. However, the fact that prices are still increasing does indicate that demand fundamentals are good for the dairy industry. This is also very good news for the medium-term prospects for the industry here in New Zealand. Meanwhile, over in the US, the milk price in November has increased to a 2009 year high. It has increased 80 cents to $15 per kiloweight. This is now meaning that November was the most profitable month for this year. On average, these prices are now also indicating that margins are around $8 per kiloweight, which is about double what it was earlier on in 2009. The Qatar Stock Exchange took a pounding overnight, losing 8.3% due to the problems from Dubai that have been unfolding over the past few days. Other markets do seem to be coming to terms with these debt problems. It has been announced that it is close to $30 billion instead of the earlier reported $60 billion worth of debt problems. It is also likely that the Dubai government will continue to stand behind the banks in order to maintain confidence for the region. In other market news, there has been some very good economic news coming out of Europe. Germany, Italy and France have indicated that their manufacturing is up, and this has beaten market expectations. In Germany, their unemployment rate has also fallen for the 5th consecutive month, and it does seem like it has really topped out.